Hello guys, welcome to Infinity Tech. Today I will discuss about how to create a responsive vertical scroll table in Divi theme. So this is what we will try to create. So let's see how it works. Now we will start to creating this table. Okay, so let's add a new page. Okay, I'm doing here add a new page and I give the title let's table or horizontal table, or sorry it should be a vertical tab. Now I will use Divi builder or use default editor. I will use Divi builder. So here are the 3 steps: start building, browse layouts, through space. I will say start building, that is build from scratch. Okay, so green plus icon, add new row. I'll click here and I will take only one row and then I will cross this and go to the edit section. Here I will change the column structure to I think that is the enough. For noise 5 I will do 4. Then I will do the cutter width 1. For column width will be 100%. Pixel. Okay, now they will keep the padding 0 and bottom padding will be 0. Okay, then we'll come to border and I will give a border here. The border will be a white border here and it will be 1 pixel and the color will be C. Okay, I will use this color here and you see that there is a border here. Okay, now I will go to the advanced tab and here is a custom CSS. In the main element I will paste these codes. Here overflow y will be scroll, overflow x will be scroll, and scroll behavior will be small. Okay, now I go to the here this icon and then I will go to the column section. Here I will in the advanced tab custom CSS I will place the code and height will be 100% and okay. 80 pixel. Okay, 80 pixel over there. Okay. There's some codes here. Just display flex, it will display flex in align items will be center, position, sticky, position is sticky important, and this is the code you have to go here. The text section, I will keep it how my heading is center point. Okay. So it happens. I will add another module. It will be another text module. And it will be the items. Table items. Okay. Yes, the background will be what we can see. This is the background I use. Okay, this will be the background here. Or not, use this black background and do that text by it will be yes, it will be here. Let's say it will be 40 pixel and it will be bold. Okay, everything is okay here. Size I'll give height. This height will be 80 pixel. And we have done this in the area. Then everything is okay here. Now I will go to the advanced and code. Justify content. Okay, everything is okay now. So let's now let's copy this text, not this. I will copy this text. Okay. Here I will not, and there will be another chance here that will be that we will not use this. Okay, because this is for the sticky element, and this heading will be the sticky, but this will not add sticky. So I'll copy this as many as you can do. Let's click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.